Good night, teacher. My name is Sergio Rodriguez. I am 52 years old. I am studying fourth semester industrial engineer. I live in Facatativá. In recent days, I have met through the internet a couple who live in the United States, and I have commented that they would like to know Colombia because it seems to be a beautiful country. They told me that they did not know and young and they did not know where to go. So I invited them to visit my beautiful municipality of Facatativá. Tell them about the wonders that there are to visit, such as our archaeology park, the Stone of Tunja. As well as the many work that can be done through the natural reserves that we have through the municipality. I'll tell them about the gastronomic delight that it has the municipality, as the tropical tamal, the snacks for lunch, and the various dairy products that are produced in the municipality. And finally, I convinced them to come to visit Colombia. And finally, my beautiful municipal of Facatativá.